Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the boAt Bassheads 900. So these are essentially super extra bass headphones and they come with mic for hands-free calling. They are apparently lightweight, weighing only 150 grams, and they are wired pairs of headphones. So at the back here you can see some extra specifications. They have super extra bass, so that's a bass boosted sound profile. They have a 1-button microphone. The weight is 150 grams as we read in front. They have hands-free calling and they have a foldable design as well. So now let's open up the box and see what we have in here. So there you go, you see the headphones themselves wrapped in a plastic pack. We'll come to that later. Inside you just have one other thing, which is the 1-year warranty card. So now let's set this aside and look at the headphones themselves. So there you go. These are actually on-ear headphones, which means that they're supposed to sit on your ear and not over your ears, like over-ear models. They have this really bendable and almost 360 degrees reversible ear cups, which is great. You have this solid grill pattern right here with a silver U in the middle, which looks really cool. And the ear cups also have adequate foam padding. At the top here you have a little bit of padding in the headband, which should be comfortable enough, but we don't know for sure. At the side here you have the boAt logos, and you can also see that the headband can be extended and they have metal extenders inside them. They can be extended from both sides, as you can see. The headphones are also quite flexible. As you can see, we can really pull them apart. And yes, they also fold up like this for easy portability, which is great. And of course, they fold this way so that they sit flat on your chest when they are not in use. So now let's look at the cable. As you can see, we have the mic right here on the cable, which has a single button for picking up calls and probably pausing and playing music. You also have a pretty thick cable right here, and at the end you have a silver 3.5 mm audio connector with a spring at the end so that the cable doesn't break off, pardon us. So that's about it for the unboxing of these boAt headphones, which are called the boAt Bassheads 900 wired on-ear headphones. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. We hope you enjoyed it.